Hi everybody, we're here today to talk about safety, and I've been joined by Imogen. She is the official mascot for our library, and we're going to demonstrate safety. There's a few safety rules and activities that's going to be included in your kit, 3. But there's a couple of really important ones that I want to cover. One is a life jacket. If you'll look at Imogen here, she already has her life jacket on. But once you put your life jacket on, you also have to check on whether it fits properly. Okay? So you want to make sure that it's not choking you up top, around the neck, and that is the straps here, see, her straps are a little loose, so we're going to tighten those up. Okay? We want to make sure that if something were to happen, she would be safe in the water in her life jacket. All right. You're doing such a trooper, Imogen. You excited to get in the water? Yay! All right. We're going to test you up here. All right, you're all ready. All ready to get in the boat. Yay! Okay, so there's a couple more things that I need to let Imogen know. If she's going to get in the boat, she's going to get out and go swimming, always look before she leaps. Make sure there's no trees or fallen logs or anything around, that the water is deep enough, and always check with your mom and dad first. Also, another thing, look around for trash. If there's trash around, that's probably not a good area to be swimming in, okay? Also, always stay within arm's reach of your mom and dad. Always, 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 okay? So we want you to be safe out there. So remember, when you're going swimming or boating, always check for the wind advisories. And if there's one, don't go out. Unsafe, right? Okay? Always be safe. So thank you. And we hope you enjoyed our fishing kits. Bye for now.